Hello guys, welcome to Let's Sit and Talk channel, and if you're new, welcome too. So basically today we are going to talk about King Monada. King Monada pulls up on Big Zulu while he was gymming, so things got out of control. And please make sure that you click the subscribe button while I'm playing the intro. So it all started here. Cassper Nyovest posted a tweet saying he wants to just box any South African celebrity just for fun. Big Zulu, Ifani and Big Xhosa are the only South African rappers that responded on Cassper. King Monada just came out of blue saying that he wants to box only Big Zulu. Hey man, please don't get me wrong, I was like laughing because I don't understand why does King Monada want to box with Big Zulu. Wait, here's the saucy part, just watch this clip.
I'm going to test it. I'm going to test it. What will test it? What will test it? Sunday sort on it. 1 minute. 1 pound. What will test it? What will test it? What will test
Well, to me it was hella fun, but though, thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, to do subscribe, click the like button, turn on the post notification. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.